The family of a patient at St. Joseph's Hospital is speaking out after a COVID-19 outbreak in the intensive care unit. The patient was admitted to the ICU with pneumonia, according to his partner, who says he tested negative for the virus 3 separate times. But when he was moved to general ward, his 4th test came back positive.
I was devastated, especially negative 3 times. And then they exposed him.
Wayne Moses was released from the ICU only 1 day when the test confirmed he contracted COVID-19, according to his partner of 10 years, Kimberly McLean.
So they said he was either subjected to patients with it, and then the male doctor, when I was talking to him, he had told me that it could have been from a nurse that he got it from.
Wayne was placed on life support and admitted to the hospital on March 24th with pneumonia. As he was moved on April 6th, his family and friends were hopeful about his recovery until doctors alerted them that he had contracted the virus.
They brought him down and put him in with other patients on a regular floor.
And they had him quarantined so that he didn't get it, but they didn't do that. Oh my God.
In a statement to CityNews, the hospital confirmed that the patient had contracted the virus in hospital, adding that 2 staff members who were in contact also tested positive. Quote, healthcare professionals in the ICU treat all ICU patients and wear appropriate personal protective equipment at all times. It is common and appropriate for care teams to have discussions with family members around goals of care and prognosis. Initially, Kimberly says she was told to fear the worst.
Well, they didn't expect him to do good.
And for you, what did that mean?
That he was going to die. That they were just going to let him die.
After a change in doctors, Kimberly says the outlook was much more positive. Wayne is now in stable condition, but back in the ICU on life support.
He's a fighter. God love him. Really, he is a fighter, that's for sure. Yeah.
The pandemic has separated families at a time when many are vulnerable and need their loved ones. Kimberly hasn't seen Wayne since he was admitted to the hospital. And April 15th will be difficult for the couple as they won't get to celebrate Wayne's birthday together.
We love you so much. Come home. You're a fighter. You'll beat this and you'll come home. I know you will. I have faith in you. I love you. Happy birthday.
The hospital says currently any patients requiring ICU care will be transferred to another facility as the situation continues to be monitored. They also add that both staff members are currently at home and they're both doing well. At St. Joseph's Hospital, I'm Faiza Amin for City News.